Welcome, everyone, to an exciting journey with GI Trips. GI Trips is not just any travel company. We are India's premier, and perhaps the world's first organization dedicated to curating unique experiences to geographical indication tag destinations. Today we are exploring about the Atreyapuram in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, which is famous for Pootharekulu. The invention of Atreyapuram Pootharekulu is purely accidental, which is popularly known as paper sweet. This delicacy has been produced for more than 300 years in Atreyapuram village of Andhra Pradesh. The sheet-making process, producing the sheets at 120 degrees Celsius in hot and open condition, involves intricate and cumbersome technique. The temperature of the mud pot play a vital role in the making of this delicacy. The family members tried the rice sheet with sugar and had a eureka moment. According to available records, the Konasima delicacy has been produced for more than 300 years in Atreyapuram village of East Godavari district. This delicious delicacy is made from homegrown rice batter, which is gluten-free. It is famed for its anti-inflammatory properties, symbolizes tradition, taste, and health benefits, making it a most favorite across Telugu-speaking regions. When you're at Atreyapuram, you can also explore the famous destination of Andhra Pradesh. Here we go. Follow us for more information on geographical indication tagged products and destinations of India. Travel responsibly. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our YouTube channel, GI Trips India.